Prepare 7 pink pipe cleaners. Use 2 pipe cleaners to make 1 flower petal. Twist 2 pipe cleaners to X. Measure 6 centimeters, then twist 1 X. Insert one end into the middle. Then fish the end that was inserted into the middle. Do the same steps for the next time. Trim and bend the middle part to resemble a petal. Make 3 petal parts for the outer part 6 centimeters long. Repeat for 3 6 centimeters petal sections. Make 3 more petal parts for the inner 5.5 centimeters. Do it with the initial method. It's time to make leaves with the pipe cleaners tied in the middle. It's time to make leaves with the pipe cleaners tied in the middle. Then trim it so that there are no holes in the middle of the leaf. To beautify it, use dark red eyeshadow. Give dark red color at the ends for the 6 petals. Do it patiently so that it becomes beautiful. Glue the 5.5 centimeters measurement on the first part. Glue the second part to the third part. Glue the sides of the petals. Do it carefully. Next, glue the 6 centimeters petals. Repeat this method until you get to the third petal. Wrap the floral tape around the floral wire twisting. Wrap the leaves with floral tape. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe and like.